Hello friends, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can use Socratic by Google apps. This is very useful apps for a student, so you can learn anything from this app. Okay, so we need to download it from Play Store. So we need to install it. Go to Play Store. You can see here Play Store and search here. Type Socratic. This has the stingers. Okay, click on it, and I have already installed it in my device. So after installing, then we need to go open. Okay, open. Okay, I open my MacBook and I want to capture some picture for showing purpose. Okay, identify your uh, subject, then capture it. Okay, I capture this. After capturing, you have to customize this properly so that these apps can identify your question. Okay, I just do it, and after customize, need to go. Okay, so they're analyzing. Okay, you can see they identified your problem and top match. Okay, here is three option SciMath problem solver. So there is a couple of website you can learn for your math. Okay, they explain also how can you learn it, and they suggest video and the more web detailed. You can find here a detailed solution. So this is the one way. Okay, so you can uh, learn it three way. Okay, so click here, you can see. Okay, click here. Okay, click on it, and here you can ask question anything. Okay, I just okay, Elon Musk. So after finishing your question, then simply go or done, and they identify, and they will provide you a couple of category regarding your question. So Elon Musk, okay, they give question and answer, and they give related videos. Wikipedia suggest Wikipedia, Tesla, anything else. Okay, so the third one, here you can see on the voiceover. You can also learn from voiceover. Okay, so I just want to say about. Okay, so they are giving me some suggestions. You can see here, you can learn it from. They give me a couple of website video question and answer session as well also. So this is a very popular apps, so you can use it for your study purpose, and you also learn from here. There are okay, try an example. Okay, they give you example tutorial. So how can you capture your problem, then capture it, and they will make your solution. So here is the another way. Okay, so we need, if you swipe down, okay, then you can find a specific subject. That's why you can learn from it. So you can see here biology, chemistry, algebra, geometry, fiction, non-fiction, world history, US history. So when you click on this, you can learn a lot of things from this. So, okay, I just click on it. Okay, you can learn through. They give you a couple of question answer good things. Okay, so friends, you can learn through this app. Okay, I hope you got a helpful video from this tutorial. So please subscribe my channel. I will provide you tips and tricks related smartphone and internet tutorial. Okay, So today's no more. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this tutorial.